Investing is a powerful tool for building wealth over the long term, but many people feel discouraged to start due to the misconception that it requires a significant amount of money. However, in this video, we'll show you that you don't need a lot of money to start investing and building your wealth. We'll cover the most accessible and easy to understand investment options for beginners, including dollar cost averaging and using a robo-advisor. Moreover, we'll provide you with tips on maximizing your savings and monitoring and adjusting your investments over time. With persistence, discipline, and a little bit of knowledge, you'll be well on your way to building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Welcome to Money Mindset, where we provide educational resources on money, personal finance, and investing. In this video, we're going to show you how to start investing with little money, so you can start building wealth today. If you're serious about enhancing your financial future, make sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video if it was helpful to you. Investing is all about putting your money to work for you. Instead of just letting your money sit in a savings account, where it may not keep pace with inflation, you can invest it in the stock market or other investments and watch it grow over time. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow, so it's never too early to start. There are many different investment options available, including stocks, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. In this video, we'll focus on the most accessible and easy-to-understand options for beginners. One important concept for investing is dollar cost averaging. This means investing a set amount of money at regular intervals, no matter what the market is doing. By doing this, you're automatically buying more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high, which can help mitigate investment risk. This approach can help take some of the emotion out of investing and ensure you're investing consistently over time. Another option to consider is using a robo-advisor. A robo-advisor is a digital platform that provides investment management services. They use algorithms to build and manage a portfolio for you, so you don't have to do it yourself. And they're often more affordable than traditional investment management services. This can be a great option for people who are new to investing and want a hands-off approach. Before you start investing, it's important to maximize your savings. This means cutting expenses, negotiating bills, and automating your savings so you can save more without thinking about it. The more you can save, the more you'll have to invest and the faster your wealth will grow. Now, let's talk about how to start investing with little money. You can start investing by making small, regular contributions through payroll deductions or automatic transfers. This is a great way to get started because you can invest without having to come up with a large lump sum of money all at once. And by making regular contributions, you're investing consistently and building your wealth over time. As you invest, it's important to monitor and adjust your investments over time. You may want to adjust your investments as your goals change or as the market changes. It's also a good idea to rebalance your portfolio periodically to ensure you're staying on track with your investment goals. Finally, it's important to educate yourself about personal finance and investment strategies. This will help you make informed decisions and grow your wealth over time. Read books, follow finance blogs, and talk to financial professionals to learn as much as you can. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart investment decisions. So there you have it, a simple guide on how to start investing with little money. Don't let a lack of funds hold you back from building wealth and securing your financial future. Start investing today and watch your money grow over time. With persistence, discipline, and a little bit of knowledge, you'll be well on your way to building wealth and achieving financial freedom.